The aftermath, navigating the post-breakup landscape. Breakups are a universal experience. They mark the end of a chapter. We are left with questions. Can we stay friends with an ex? Many wonder about this possibility. It's a question with no easy answer. The success of post-breakup friendships depends on many factors. Time, individual personalities, and the nature of the breakup all play a role. The aftermath of a relationship is complex. Emotions are raw. Navigating this terrain requires sensitivity and self-awareness. It's crucial to understand the motivations behind the desire to stay friends. The psychology of platonic possibilities. Can we truly be just friends? From a psychological perspective, post-breakup friendships present a unique challenge. Romantic feelings don't just disappear overnight. Lingering attachment can complicate the transition to friendship. Studies show that some people are better at compartmentalizing their feelings. They can transition from romantic love to platonic care. However, this is not always easy. Unresolved feelings can lead to misunderstandings and renewed hurt. The desire to stay friends can stem from various motivations. Some seek to maintain a connection with someone they value. Others might be driven by a fear of loneliness or guilt. Understanding these motivations is crucial for establishing healthy boundaries. The tug-of-war: emotional challenges and potential benefits. The emotional challenges of post-breakup friendships are undeniable. One person might still harbor romantic feelings. Seeing an ex move on can trigger jealousy and pain. Trust can also be an issue. Past betrayals can cast a long shadow over the friendship. It takes time and effort to rebuild trust and establish a new foundation. However, there can be benefits. Shared history and understanding can form a strong base for friendship. Some exes find comfort and support in each other. They can offer unique perspectives on life and relationships. Case studies and counterarguments. Real-life complexities. Real-life examples paint a mixed picture. Some exes successfully transition into platonic friendships. They find solace and support in each other. Others find that the emotional baggage is too heavy to bear. Studies show that the success rate of post-breakup friendships varies. Factors like the length of the relationship and the reason for the breakup play a role. Mutual respect and clear communication are crucial for success. Some argue that staying friends with an ex is never truly possible. They believe that romantic feelings will always resurface. While this can be true for some, it's not a universal experience. Ultimately, the decision of whether to stay friends with an ex is deeply personal. It requires honest self-reflection, open communication, and a willingness to navigate the complexities of human emotions.